Legal tech in the M&A space has gone beyond virtual data rooms, says Kensington Swan partners Chris Parke and Nick Scott. Lawyers are eagerly anticipating the next wave to carry their practices further.
You're looking at it in the mergers and acquisition space, which is where Chris and I practice in. We've had virtual data rooms for quite a few years now, and that was sort of the big technological leap which came along. But we've been waiting for the next iterations of technology to impact us, and we think we're starting to see it now with a couple of products in particular.
There are now intelligent tools that give lawyers and firms more transparency and collaboration.
The first one is there's some products which now use AI to assist with the due diligence process, where you can upload documents and the product will actually review the documents and highlight areas which perhaps require specific attention, and that looks quite useful. Another product that we've started to see is deal management products that enables a deal to be managed within the law firm and to manage it internally, but it also allows the opportunity to involve the client, to involve the other advisors and also the parties acting for potential purchases, and that's something which we're quite excited about and see some real value in that going forward.
The area is not without its tests, however, as even just the pace of development can pose a challenge, says partner Chris Parke.
So I think one of the big challenges is really keeping across the development of the various products. The speed of change with technology is always constant. And so understanding what the products are and what those products can offer is going to be critical.
Another significant consideration is recognising the product's effect not just on the firm.
Also from an organisation's perspective, understanding how well a product or a service might be adopted both internally but also by its clients is really important. Achieving cultural acceptance is really important for the product if indeed you're looking to head that way. Also understanding when to dive in. When is the right opportunity? Will you be an early adopter, or will you sit back a little bit and see what products might come onto the market at a future point in time?
Parke and Scott say peers should keep in mind these two things when looking at what can be done in the space.
Not necessarily to be the first adopter, but potentially to sit back and understand what's available in the market and how that product might assist you and your clients, and to see how that product first works in other organisations.
And in terms of the second point, an observation from business in general is that identifying somebody to be your innovation champion, or somebody who has responsibility for innovation within the firm, which doesn't necessarily just have to be technology, but it can be broader than that. But giving that responsibility to one person actually ensures that it happens, whereas if it's left to everybody to keep an eye on what developments there may be, then it's the classic of everybody thinking somebody else is looking after it.